WM is a complete cycle construction company. Building ice facilities, WM successfully carries out exploratory, design, construction and assembly works of any complexity. The company works in line with international standards, using modern equipment and the most up-to-date technical solutions, which is proven by more than 80 operational facilities Europe-wide. WM offers each customer an individual solution to any task at all stages, from design of ice facilities to supply, installation, commissioning and maintenance of technical equipment. WM offers equipment certified for Eurovent ISO 9001. The company supplies refrigerating units of various types for professional ice facilities, stationary refrigerating and heating pipeline systems in concrete, EPDM mats, aluminum pipes, professional IIHF ring boards, open-air skating ring boards, decorative fencing for shopping malls, ventilating units equipped with a patented energy-saving heat recuperator with thermal efficiency of up to 90%. In all its projects, WM Group uses waste heat with maximum efficiency. WM Group is a company of highly qualified specialists who warrant their product, creation and maintenance of quality ice.